What's up, guys? Welcome to Protect and Survive. Just wanted to touch bases real quick with some literature, okay? Survive Any Situation Handbook. You have the Total Outdoorsman manual. A lot of valuable information in these books, guys. The Trapper's Bible. In my opinion, you probably don't need any more than these three. I mean, you can if you want to, further your knowledge. You may find something in other books, resources that you can't find anywhere else. But in my experience, that's it. I'm done. YouTube is widely available at your fingertips. But these are just in case EMP or something like that happens. I said nothing. So, in general, guys, if you're into survival, you're into bushcraft, you're into camping, into outdoors, hiking, whatever it is, those books are invaluable with the knowledge and information that they have inside. The only thing that I can recommend is to keep practicing your art and your craft. We have new shirts. I will post a link maybe in the description. I will definitely put it on my IG though. I will post pictures of this if you want to see more like this or different varieties that I produced. But those books in general, get them on Amazon. You can get them on thriftbooks.com, THRIFT books.com. Barnes & Nobles, if you have a Barnes & Nobles around you available to you. Guys, you really want to study the art, you really want the knowledge, you really got to read, learn from everything and everyone. Not one thing will be stupid because you never know what you can learn from something, right? Anyway, just a quick little video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Welcome to Protect and Survive. Catch you on the flip side.